This is the trend review for Friday, the 10th of May 2024. And today, the stocks are still not moving that great, but it was a bit better today. I was looking at AMD or Tesla for possible trades, and I'm actually quite happy that I picked Tesla. Seems the market is selling off hard today. And on Tesla, we were consolidating. Um, I'm gonna do this. On Tesla, we've been consolidating for a few days. We had a short squeeze that took us to almost 200, and then we've been selling off since then. Uh, Slowly but surely, and for the past 2 days, we've been trading back and forth in the gray area. So just above S3, and yesterday we fell to go higher despite having a green day the day before. So we engulfed yesterday's candle. So today I was very bearish on it. And so when we take everything into consideration, lower value, lower Camarilla pivots, although they're a bit tighter, so a breakout was possible. I was looking for a short. We were opening just under R3, so I was hoping for a test to the top side. That's what I'm most comfortable with, and then making an entry once the buyers are defeated. But that did not happen. We just had a breakout right at the open, and there was no good trade location. By the time the 2 minute candle closed, we were already in the gray area, the pre-market low, and next to the previous day close. So we continued to sell off below S3. We hit the bottom of the consolidation and form a nice doji here at the bottom. And this is where I started to get frustrated because I didn't pull the trigger. And as you can see, this was a beautiful pullback on Tesla back to value. And it just frustrated me that I wasn't able to take this trade right when the market opened, which was very difficult because there is no time to consider. And I did have this as a trend day, but it behaved a lot like a neutral day. So after I missed this entry, I was just looking for an entry on a pullback, and I wanted to pull the trigger here, but as you can see, price continued to push higher. And once we rejected pre-market low like this and ended up closing below previous day close, I decided to pull the trigger, and I held nicely. But unfortunately, we tested yesterday this range and continued to run to the top side. So this wasn't that bad of a trade, and it stopped me out. I guess I should have waited for value. Nonetheless, I did wait for that test value, made a perfect entry, and could have been a little bit better, but it's good enough for me. Made my entry, held nicely, partial at 3 to 1, and then took another partial at 170.60, which was the next target. But I took a bit of aggressive partials after my first one. And here, since we already had reverse before, and we didn't really have a lot of stacks below 170, I thought perhaps we could reverse. And you can see that there was an attempt here with signals, but ultimately it failed. The market just sold off crazy and it kind of drove everything down. So I should have held for longer, and I should have partial a little bit slower maybe, because we had a possibility of the breakdown of 170. So it was okay trade management, could have been better, but after the past few days, I'm happy with today, especially after the first loss. It's not easy to do, but I'm okay. And so that was my day today. I guess this could be an R3 traverse. So respect the rules, I will say yes. I was a bit worried that today I was gonna suffer another loss. Exit market prep. Good execution and good patience, which is better than yesterday. I think my execution was good today. I took 2 trades, one, but it resulted in 3R. So I ended the week just 2R, which could be worse. So I'm very happy about it. Intraday, we took 2 trades. They were traverses. This trade gave me 4. Okay, so it's not too bad. We're starting a new dataset 24. Traverse. We executed correctly. Loss win, -1, and 4R. That's how we ended up the day at 3R. And so that's it for my trading review today. I guess one of the lessons from today is to continue to be patient and just execute. Don't think about the profits. Although that's incredibly hard to do. I thought I had missed the bigger opportunity here. But as you can see, it's all about perception. I ended up nailing the best entry, the best trade location for a day like today, where we had a run from the open, pretty much the open, to the breakdown from the daily consolidation, which gave us a really nice move to S6, to almost S6. And so I need to take that into consideration because if I add the pressure of me thinking that the move is already missed or gone and that the opportunities remaining are not good enough, then I'm gonna continue to leave money on the table. So hopefully that could be an important lesson for next week.